Starting with the concealer, I'm using e.l.f. and applying it to the eyelids for our base. Off Melrose is the palette I'm using, and going into Boutique to start with a medium blending brush. I'm concentrating it above the crease. And just blending it out. Now with a pencil brush, going into Down to Earth, and this color will be on the eyelid. Working it in and just blending it. Also applying some underneath the eye. And applying more to make it nice and dark. Taking some concealer and a concealer brush, we're going to pat this on the inner half of the eyelid. And then with a small eyeshadow brush, we're going to go into the brie and pat this over the concealer. In the inner corner as well, and underneath. The same brush, going into Trading Post and dotting this on the very inner corner for a highlight. For the eyeliner, we're going to go for a wing. This wing is based off of the TikTok filter, and I'm starting with a gel eyeliner pencil because I find this is more helpful if you are not good with a liquid. So applying a little more of the brown, and then I'm going to trace over with a liquid eyeliner. This should help if you struggle with liquid eyeliner. Just start with a pencil first, it's easier to control. And mascara. Coating those top lashes really well, and then some on the bottom lashes as well. For blush, I used On the List with a tapered brush and just applying it on the cheeks and sweeping it. I also used a lip oil and no lip liner, just straight on. And the look is done.